Okay, so we're running the Arrma Vorteks on 4S. Been calling this the VOR-CAST because it's a Vortex outcast hybrid. We've got the outcast arms and hubs. Now running a 3670 sized motor. Previously I was running a 3665, 2900 kV with a 12 tooth pinion, and the motor was getting a little bit too hot. So we've gone up to a 3670 and it's 2650 kV. To compensate for the kV being lower, I did put in a 14 tooth pinion. Well, that was a nice crash. So I have done a speed test with this new motor, and we've had 48 mile an hour on 4S. So for those of you that don't know, this car is an Arrma Vorteks that are fitted with the arms, hubs and drive shafts from a outcast 4S. So it's essentially an outcast. The battery's come unplugged. The car is essentially an outcast, but with a shorter chassis. I think the outcast V1 came with the same chassis as what would be on the Vortex and the Granite. So it's kind of like an outcast V1, but with the V2 drive shafts. Oh, it just switched itself off. I've just fitted some mud guards on the back of this. Arrma do sell them for the 4S range, but these ones I've just made out of a bit of plastic. It just helps to keep the mud and debris off the rear drive shafts, so it all gets slung up from the front wheels. Big slam down there, but we landed it. It's the trouble with landing heavy on concrete. Run the risk of snapping this chassis.
Very decent, man. Oh, we got the Arrma Vorteks out, haven't we?
Pretty happy with how the shocks are working on the car. Seems to be soaking up the jumps pretty well. Got that a bit wrong. Well, we landed it in a fashion. Oh, nice. Nice little backflip there. In some good distance. Oh, that was smooth. Cartwheels. Ah. Oh, straight into the mound. At least it was a nice soft landing.
Perfect.
Oh, that was like a corkscrew backflip, that one. We stuck the landing. Beautiful jump. Into a wheelie. Nice. Big jump. This car's wicked. Absolutely loving this. Brilliant. Well guys, I'm going to call it there. Cheers for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. And it's come unplugged. Okay, just a quick little damage update after that run. The front hinge pin on the left front has pulled out. I'm assuming that it's bent the hinge pin. Arm looks okay. The chassis is still in one piece.
Oh no.
How do you think, Mont? We got the Arrma Vorteks out, haven't we?